Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, trigonometry on submultiple angle. You have already got 6 lessons on submultiple angle. Especially part 5 you must observe. There you will get formula on submultiple angle. Now please pay your attention on the board. This is the sum. Find the value of this. First we have to simplify angle 5 pi by 8, that is cos to the power 4 7 pi by 8. Here cos 5 pi by 8 equal to pi minus 3 pi by 8. Pi, that means 180 degree. 180 degree minus theta, that is we are getting angle in second quadrant. All sine, tan, cos, sine, all sine positive. This is cos, this is why it will be negative. This is why cos 5 by 8 equal to minus cos 3 pi by 8. Why 3 pi by 8? 5 pi by 8, if you take the LCM, that is 8 pi by 3, that is 5 pi by 8. In this way, 5 pi by 8 we may write cos pi minus 3 pi by 8 equal to minus cos 3 pi by 8. Now taking square, not 4 in the both side, then this is the even. This is why this will be plus, this minus will be plus. Similarly cos 7 pi by 8, cos pi minus pi by 8, if you take the LCM 8 pi minus pi, that is 7 pi by 8. In place of 7 pi by 8 we may write this. And here also it is angle is coming in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos will be minus. This is why minus cos pi by 8. Here also same thing. Here is minus, taking 4. This even number, so this minus will be plus. Now writing this, then in place of cos to the power 4 5 pi by 8 we are writing the value of this, and cos to the power 4 7 pi by 8, here we are writing cos to the power 4 pi by 8. Now if you observe, then easily you will understand there are two, this angle and this angle. This is why 2 cos pi by 8 and plus 2 cos to the power 4 3 pi by 8. Then 2 will be the common. After taking common we are getting this. Then again this angle we have to simplify. Why we have to simplify this? This expression is not coming exactly in the frame of formula. This is why we have to simplify. Here we are taking pi by 2, that is 90 degree. 90 degree minus theta, that is first quadrant. First quadrant all sine. This is why 90 cos, this 90 degree, this is why sine 90 degree minus theta, that is sine theta. This is why it will be sine to the power 4 pi by 8. Now in place of this we have to write sine to the power 4 pi by 8. Then after taking common, this we may write in this way: cos square pi by 8 whole square, sine square pi by 8 whole square. Now a square plus b square. A square plus b square, that is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That you have learned at class 9. By applying this formula we are getting this expression. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is known to you 1. Here sine square pi by 8 cos square pi by 8 plus sine square pi by 8, that is 1. So in place of this we are writing 1 and it will be remain as it is. Then we have to multiply. By multiplying we are getting this expression. Then this expression we have to simplify more to get the form of formula. And 4 cos square pi by 8, that we may write 2, here is square, 2 sine by arranging, we are taking sine first and then we are writing cos. Pi by 8 into cos pi by 8 whole square. Now we are getting, this is in the frame of formula, that is 2 sine theta into cos theta, that is sine 2 theta. By applying that formula we are getting this, that is sine 2 pi by 8. By simplifying we are getting 2 minus sine square pi by 4, because this sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. Now pi by 4, that is 45 degree, pi by 4 45 degree. So value of sine 45, that is 1 by root 2, here is square, so we have to take it whole square. Then by simplifying we are getting the value, that is 3 by 2. This is the answer. If you follow the step attentively, then easily you will understand. Next sum, if this equal to tan square beta by 2, so that alpha plus 2 beta equal to 180 degree. Here this equal to this, then this direct, this is not in the frame of formula, this is in the frame of formula, that is 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, that is tan square a. So in this term, that is tan square beta by 2, we may write this 1 minus cos beta by 1 plus cos beta. Now we have to take componendo and dividendo. Taking componendo and dividendo both sides, that is a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. By applying componendo dividendo, we are getting this expression. Then by simplifying, we are getting cos beta equal to sin alpha, and this sin cos, this cos beta again we have to simplify, that is sin 90 degree minus theta, sin theta, sin 90 degree minus theta, that is cos theta. So in place of cos beta, we may write sin 90 degree minus beta. Then since here is written this, and sin will be cancelled, then it will be 90 degree minus beta equal to alpha by 2. By simplifying, we are getting alpha plus 2 beta equal to 180 degree. What we have to prove? That expression we are getting, so it is proved. I think it is clear. If you feel difficulties, then with full determination, if you follow repeatedly the solution, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.